Donc, ouais. La prochaine chanson, ça va être Ghost de Skip the Youth par Pablo.
Ok, ça a peut-être été bon là.
C'est ça le sketch.
You have to give till I have to live. I can't stop dreaming. Do you know what I mean? You make up your angry, you're hidden, but I see your smile always deep inside your arms. I want to be a friend. And I'm waiting, there's not ready to die. I'm waiting, I must hurry. Welcome to my world. I wanna and I'm sorry. It's not ready to die. Kill the light, I can't see. Time is running out, it's keeping me alive. I get what I need, I have to survive. Time is running out, keeping me alive. I get what it means, but you have to survive. Survive. Oh, now I'm on the road, we all playing tonight. Ever since this morning, your kisses on my skin. What's against the night? When you talk to me, you may have here to make it clear. Time is running down, who's keeping me alive? I get what it means, but you have to survive. Time is running down, who's keeping me alive? I get what it means, but you have to survive. Survive. You're gonna die, die, die. I can't what they say to me. It goes twice. Forget it. I wanna be coming to my will. Let it get on sound. I've got a rule. Let it blow your mind. It's a lie. I get what it's told me. Baby, you gotta try. It's getting misery. Yeah, emotion. I got the solution. When it can focus straight down your brain. Time is running out, keeping you alive. But I'll get what it means, but you'll have to survive. Time is running out, who's keeping me alive? I'll get what it means, but you'll have to survive. Time is running out, who's keeping me alive? I get what it means, Time is running out, God's keeping me alive. I get what it means. And you have to survive.
Donc pour changer complètement de style, donc Théodore va venir réciter un poème. Comme beaucoup de vous le savent, cette année, ça fait presque 100 ans que la Première Guerre mondiale a commencé. Et je voulais juste lire un poème d'un des soldats de la Première Guerre mondiale qui s'appelle Edmund Blundell et qui m'a vraiment touchée. Et c'est pour faire un hommage à tous ces soldats qui sont morts pour nous. Il s'appelle Illusions. Trenches in the moonlight, in the lulling moonlight, have had their loveliness. When dancing dewy grasses caressed us passing along their earthly lanes. When the crucifix hanging over was strangely illumined. And one imagined music, one even heard the brave bird and the singing orchids flute above the weedy well. There are such moments, forgive me I note them, nor glows that there comes soon the nemesis of beauty. In the fluttering relics that at first glimmer wakened terror. The no man's ditch suddenly forking, there the enemy's best with bonds and braids and courage. Softly, swiftly, at once be animal and angel. But oh no, they're death smallkins dangling in the wire for the moon's interpretation.
Donc c'est Vois sur ton chemin, les choristes. Donc le prochain numéro va être interprété par les secondes, c'est Wonderwall.
Et Yoann, il a bien chanté, il a pas chanté faux, Yoann.
Today's gonna be the day that they're gonna bring it back to you. By now you should somehow realize what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Backbeat, the word is on the street that the fire in your heart is out. I'm sure you've heard it all before, but you never really had a doubt. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads we have to walk are winding, and all the lights that lead us there are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. Because maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. Today is gonna be the day, but they'll never throw it back to you. By now you should somehow realize what you're trying to do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads that lead you there are winding, and all the lights that light the way are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. Maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. You're gonna be the one that saves me. You're gonna be the one that saves me.
Donc le prochain numéro, ça va être un morceau interprété par l'harmonie. Donc c'est un morceau surprise.
Ça va ?
Si j'avais du poids sur le torse, si ton jean ça faisait une passe. Si j'avais du poil au menton, mais pas comme Susan Boyle, non, comme mon garçon. Si mes poils sous les bras étaient acceptés, s'ils étaient... Bon, je suis désolée, je vais faire son micro. J'avais du poids sur le torse, si dans mon jean ça faisait une bosse. Si j'avais